got the net, we got the talent, and we got a knucklehead called the Fishmonger. You know, when you're out fishing, there's always something that's buzzing around or clanging. I gotta show you the innovation of how to stop that buzzing, clanging, and just that, what is that noise? And look what they did. Innovation, commercial fishing, overcome and adapt, fix the situation. All I know is there's some kid somewhere missing their toy.